Hey guys, it's Nina, and it is time for me to clean up my locks. As you can see, they're very uneven in the front. One side is definitely longer than the other one, and also that really long lock is pretty damaged because I got color, as you probably know. Yeah, my locks are just really dry and damaged at this point, especially at the ends, so it's time for a little trim. So normally I don't wear my locks straight. I really like to have some sort of texture in them from a braid out or curls or whatever. When I wear them straight, that's when you can really see how, I guess, uneven my weight line is. And that's really not a huge deal to me, but it's just the fact that the longest locks are also the most damaged. That's what makes me say, you know what, it's just time to let these go. Because you know what? We love to hold on to long and damaged hair, and it just doesn't look good. So I'm just going to use some little eyebrow scissors. You see how this part of this lock is like dangling, like it's on a hinge? That is not normal, okay? That's not supposed to happen. It's not supposed to look all flaccid, okay? It's supposed to be one continuous lock. So I'm just gonna make the cut. That's 2 inches down the drain. But it's funny because after cutting that one piece, my weight line in the front already looks a lot better. But there are still more damaged locks, especially this one. I mean, look at how this is hanging. This is just insulting what happened to my hair, okay? I mean, I can't, I just have myself to blame, so. Gotta cut that piece off too. It's just damaged beyond repair. So after trimming, I just palm roll the ends to encourage them to seal back, and I don't use any products either for this. I've also never had an issue with locks unraveling after being trimmed. So if you're concerned about that, you really shouldn't have anything to worry about. Now, if your locks are much thicker, then that's different. I'm not sure how that would work exactly. But for locks my size, like kind of a medium size, trimming them is fine. So this lock I'm holding, it's longer than the other ones, but also it's damaged. The damage is a little more subtle than the other one, but I just decided to go ahead and cut this one too because I just don't have time for it, man. So I know a lot of people will sew their locks back together, but I don't know, I'm just weird. I guess I don't want to hang on to anything that doesn't want to be there. So now, as you can see, with cutting those locks, my weight line in the front is a lot more balanced. Of course, it's not perfect, but it's definitely neater and just more symmetrical. Now, the balancing effect is a little less pronounced in the back. You can still see where some of the locks are definitely longer than the other ones, but for now, I just decided to leave it as is because it already hurt my feelings to have to cut them in the first place. So yeah, this is what we're gonna leave it like. I don't wear my hair straight often, so it's not a huge deal to me. To my little casualties, rest in peace. You guys were my oldest hair. Basically the hair that was with me from the very beginning, and it's been a good run, but yeah, I gotta let y'all go. Time for new things. Thank you so much for watching. If you have questions, let me know, and I will see you in the next one.